stood quiet or I'll tell him the truth.
Don't get cute with me. I made you and I can break you.
Oh, go ahead and break me. You think it's easy living with the guilt?
I'll cut the crap and bring on the meat.
If only you would eat meat. If only you would touch a mouse or a fly. But no, you're so particular.
Come on, Krell boy, feed me. I ain't since shit, and that was a week ago.
Well, just give me till the morning, and then Life magazine will be here to take our picture.
And then you'll find me somebody.
Then you'll never go hungry again. I promise.
Chow time, Krell boy. Food! Food!
Stop swallowing!
Food!
I ain't getting much food! This shit driving me crazy! Shut up!
Feed me
For God's sake, shut up!
What's the matter with you?
What's the matter with me? Don't you think I know he needs food? Don't you think I know he needs to eat and soon or he'll die? Don't you think I'm trying to think of some way, somehow, someone?
People, you're hysterical. What's the big deal about a little plant food? I think running this place all by yourself is too much for you. Now, when did Mr. Mushnick say he'd be back?
Huh?
You know, when that note from